Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord showing a black screen on startup. So the first thing you should do is completely close Discord. Make sure it's not running in the background. On Windows, you can check the task manager and end any Discord processes, and on Mac, make sure it's fully killed. Next, try clearing Discord's cache. Go to your computer's run window and type in %appdata%. After that, open the Discord folder. Here, delete the cache, core cache and GPU cache folders. After that, restart Discord and see if it works. Another quick fix is to run Discord as an administrator. Right-click on the Discord icon, then choose Run as Administrator. This can solve permission-related issues that cause the black screen. If it's still not working, uninstall Discord and reinstall it from the official website. A fresh install usually fixes any deep-rooted problems. And that's all. That's how you can fix Discord black screen on startup in 2025. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.